I know what it's like to be disappointed by products that don't do what they claim to do. That's why I'm motivated to build products that fix the problem the first time. I was asked by International Engine to come up with a solution to the failing injector problem in the Ford 6-liter engine. After years of product testing, the deal fell through and I was left with a product that I knew would fix the problem 9 times out of 10, but with no way to distribute it. That's why I came up with Hotshot Secret. Right here in Mount Gilead, Ohio, in my 2-car garage with just 1 employee and 0 marketing experience, we began to navigate our way into the consumer market with our first product, Hotshot Secrets. Now that's known as Stiction Eliminator. Shortly after, I got a call from a man facing a real challenge. He was told that his Ford 6.0 needed new injectors to the tune of $3,000. The problem is he didn't have $3,000 to spare. He relied on his vehicle to provide for his family. I knew that my Hotshot Secrets would fix his problem, so I promised to give him all of his money back if it didn't work. He tried it, and a few weeks later, his injector problems were gone, and he was back to work. Being able to fix problems for $20 or $30 or $40 that would normally cost $3,000 or $4,000 or $5,000 is exciting. It makes me feel like we've accomplished something.